I've been penalized for showing up first. I wanted to wait a little bit, but thank you so much for the opportunity to come and to address you today, this afternoon. My name is Tracie Hunter, and I am running on the Democratic ticket as the candidate for Hamilton County Juvenile Court Judge, which is a Common Pleas position. There are 2 juvenile court judges in Hamilton County, and I this year hope to be the first African-American juvenile court judge in the history of Hamilton County for a number of reasons. There are a lot of issues that are affecting us in our community, a lot of things in the judicial system. Just a little bit about myself. I am from Cincinnati, Ohio. I was educated in the Catholic school system. I went on to Miami University in Oxford, Ohio, and then I graduated from the University of Cincinnati College of Law. I've been practicing law for 17 years. During that time, I've had the opportunity to experience a lot of things, to see a lot of things in our system that, quite honestly, I believe could use some change, some amendment, if you will. And so originally, when the criminal justice system was instituted, it was instituted with the idea that we would rehabilitate, that we would reform individuals that came in contact with the system. Unfortunately, over the course of time, probably because of the magnitude of criminal conduct that we've seen, not just here locally, but across the country, there's been a move more towards incarceration without a lot of focus on rehabilitation. Well, I believe that it's time to change, because I believe over the years, even in our own county, we have seen the effects of incarceration that don't necessarily lead to rehabilitated lives, and not only does it not lead to rehabilitated individual lives, I believe that it places all of us in jeopardy. It hinders all of our safety if we do not begin to focus or to refocus our efforts on rehabilitation. And so I am running on a vision of rehabilitation, education, application, and ultimately restoration. It is my firm belief that we must get back to investing in our young people up front. We've seen the negative impact of waiting until they are in the adult penal system, and quite honestly, it's not helping any of us. It's not making any of us safer. I spoke to a nursing home just the other day, and quite honestly, a lot of our seniors are very afraid. And we should not live in a community where persons are concerned about their safety. But if we do something to change the issues that are making us less safe as a community on the front end, then it's going to increase the quality of life for us all. So I am looking at rehabilitating young people when they come into the system. Honestly, I believe that if we focus on rehabilitation up front, it's going to save our county a lot of money on over time. A few years ago, the community, the county spoke out when they overwhelmingly said no to a new jail.